Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I make fried fish. I am using tilapia, however you can use red snapper or any mild flavored white fish. I've already cleaned the fish, so I go straight to seasoning it. Check out how I clean the fish in the video linked above. Due to its mild flavor, tilapia does not need much seasoning. I add the spices and seasoning and toss the bowl a couple of times. This will help spread the spices and seasoning throughout the fish. I add extra virgin olive oil and rub the spices and seasoning onto the fish. I've listed the spices and quantities used in the description box. I let this marinate in the fridge for an hour before frying. It had been a busy day, so I finally got to it late that night. I heat some oil and start frying the fish. I also add roughly 1 cup of plain flour in a bowl, which I use to coat the fish. I'm using an electric frying pan, but you can do this in a frying pan on your stovetop. Once the oil is heated, I coat the fish pieces with the flour and carefully drop them into the oil. I fry the fish until golden brown, then flip it and fry the other side. I line a bowl with paper towel. This is where I place the fish once fried to absorb any excess oil. I let the oil heat up again, then repeat the coating and frying process until all fish pieces are done. The fish is now ready. Allow it to rest for a few minutes and serve with your favorite accompaniment. I like it with salad, vegetables, or fried rice. Look at how beautiful this is. It is nice and soft on the inside with a crispy golden finish on the outside. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, and share it. This will help improve the visibility of this channel. If you like cooking content, consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell to be alerted whenever I put up a new post. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next video. Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making tilapia fish soup. I clean the fish and prep all ingredients beforehand. Please find the ingredients in the description box below as I jump right in, and to see how I clean the fish, check out the video linked above. I started the recording late, but what I have here is onion, cooking oil, and a cinnamon stick. I add roughly 2 cups of water and cook this for 15 minutes. This time is enough to soften the onions before the fish is added. At this point, I remove the cinnamon stick and add my spices and seasoning. I used bay leaves, cardamom pods, black peppercorns, coriander powder, and vegeta. However, feel free to use your preferred spices and seasoning. I added capsicum for its aroma, followed by water, then the fish. I'm using tilapia for this recipe, but any mild white fish will work with this recipe. As for the capsicum, it's optional, so skip it if you don't like it. I add garlic paste, salt to taste, and gently stir to combine. Then I cook this covered on a medium flame for 6 to 8 minutes or until the fish is well cooked but still firm. If you like fried fish, check out the link shown on the top right corner. The soup is now ready. Serve this with your preferred staple. I did not add more salt or seasoning because the soup tasted just right. However, you can adjust the salt and seasoning to taste if needed. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you try it, and for easy recipes, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new recipe uploads. This is all from me today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye-bye. Hello guys, welcome to Asedo's Kitchen, the home of simple yet delicious recipes. To my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I'm making air-fried fish. I'm using tilapia for this recipe, however, you can use any fish of your choice. Feel free to marinate this with your choice of spices, but this time I'm using paprika powder, garlic salt, mixed peppercorns, cumin powder, vegeta, and extra virgin olive oil. I cover this and set it aside for at least half an hour. Then I cook it in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I turn the fish and allow the other side to cook for 5 to 8 minutes. The fish is now ready. Serve it with chips, wedges, or salad. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button, give this recipe a try, and let us know what you think in the comments below. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.